72 kilometers. The long stretch going to the ruins. Vehicles here are traveling fast because of the long stretches of expressways. Expected time of arrival 3 o'clock, Hana?
Where?
Mag-break pa pala tayo, no? Sa... Di ba tayo lumampas ng Shell Station?
Wala pa naman.
50 kilometers?
Wala pa.
Gusto nyo na break sa 50 kilometers? CR or what?
Okay lang.
Sabihin ko na, they have alternate parang rest or food every 5 to 10 kilometers here in this anong name na expressway na to?
05.
Ha?
05.
05? Okay, we just broke the 70 kilometers marker. 100 kilometers to siya eh. Service Alania. Ayun na, may Shell station, ha? Oh.
Ayan na yung Shell.
Oh, gusto niya o straight?
Ako, okay lang ako.
Mag-stop?
Hindi,
Oh.
okay lang ako hindi mag-stop.
Stay pa tayo?
Okay lang.
Okay, sige. Yung station yan kasi nag-marker sa atin na for 50 kilometers. What lang tayo? 65 lang tayo.
Hindi, 50 kilometers away from that point when we saw it. The poster ba?
Okay. Ay, sa kabila naman yung Shell pala eh.
Ha?
Ah, both sides yun.
Both sides.